Hi students. Chalo, today we are going to see the next chapter of geography because economics we have completed. जो fourth chapter था वो it is not there in your syllabus. So the next point is climate, or the next chapter is climate. A very interesting chapter and also very simple chapter. So you have to understand the basic things. First, if you see, we talk about climate and weather. We almost get confused between these two terms, climate and weather. What actually is climate and what is weather? Now, in TV or news, you must have seen weather forecast. Weather forecast means they forecast or they tell you in advance what kind of weather will be there. Whether it will rain today or it will be cloudy weather, it will be very sunny weather, whatever it is. So, weather is something which changes time to time and day by day. But climate is an average kind of, like you can say monsoon type of climate. India has a monsoon type of climate. African countries, they have a desert type of climate. Most of the areas are very hot and arid. So these are climate because in that area from last 30 years or last so many years, the climate is same. So we call it climate, which is an average of last 30 years. Weather is something which changes from day to day, time to time. So we'll have some small definitions here. Climate refers to the sum total of weather conditions. उस जगह का, उस place का, what are the weather conditions? Whether it's continuously raining, it is continuously hot, it is continuously cold, like Antarctic and Arctic zones. So what kind of and sum total of weather is there, and whatever variations are there over a large area, large continent या large areas में for a long period of time, यानी कि काफ़ी समय से एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप का वेदर वहाँ पे एग्जिस्ट करता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज क्लाइमेट. लाइक वी कैन से द क्लाइमेट ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर इज़ वेरी कोल्ड, बिकॉज आप किसी भी सीजन में जाइए तो वेरिएशंस बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, इट विल बी मोर और लेस कूलर वन. सो वी कैन से द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर इज कोल्डर. Similarly, if you see Rajasthan, the climatic condition of Rajasthan is hot. It is a desert kind of climate is there. So this is what we mean by climate. We can have some examples here. There are many types of climate. For example, monsoon type of climate. We have desert type of climate. Now we'll come to weather. Weather is something, it is the state of atmosphere. हमारा जो atmosphere किस तरह का है? It is the state of atmosphere in a particular area at a particular point of time. Maybe the weather of Dhanki be different from the weather of Umarkhed, because maybe sometime it's raining heavily in Dhanki, but there is good sunshine in Umarkhed. So that is weather. So what is weather? It refers to the state of atmosphere over an area at a particular given time. Okay, example: sunny weather, humid weather, cold weather, etc. This is climate and weather. Now we see what are season. What happens? Sometimes the weather in few months, maybe 1 month, 2 months or 3 months, the weather is almost the same. That we call as seasons. For example, June, July, August, almost it rains. So the weather is rainy weather. So we call it monsoon or rainy season. And if you see in March, half of the March and April, May, it is quite hot. So we call it summer. Similarly, winter, autumn. So season means. Now elements of climate, okay, this will come later, we'll see. Monthly atmospheric conditions, monthly means within 2 months, 3 months or 1 month, the atmospheric conditions are called seasons, like rainy season, summer or winter. First, uske upar ka point, elements of climate and weather. What are the elements of climate and weather? How can we say that? The first is temperature. If temperature is more, we call it a hot climate. Atmospheric pressure, the pressure of air or atmosphere on the earth is called as atmospheric pressure. Wind, how much wind is there, what is the humidity, what is the precipitation. Precipitation means nothing but the rainfall. This word will come many times for you, precipitation. So it means in geography rainfall. You can write rainfall there, but the good word is precipitation. Use the word precipitation. Okay, now going ahead from this, now it is very clear what is climate, what is weather, what do you mean by seasons. Now where did this word come from? Indian. Now if you talk about Indian climate or Indian climate, what is Indian climate? So we talk that Indian climate is monsoon type climate, or Indian climate is monsoon type, because we get a good rainfall over in India. Now यहाँ पे differences है, some places we get very high rainfall and some places there is very low rainfall. But overall, on an average, as we see, if as a country, whole country as a India, the amount of rainfall is quite good. So we call our Indian climate as a monsoon type. Now the word monsoon, this word monsoon came from the Arabic word mausim. Yeah, Arabic word है mausim, इसका मतलब है season. So what used to happen when the Arab trader used to come, earlier the land routes were less, but sea routes were more. So when they used to come by ships, they used to avoid the monsoon season. So they used to have this word mausim, which turned into monsoon. So monsoon means rainfall. Going ahead, if you see, the climate of India is called monsoon type climate because we get a very good rainfall in India. India has a diverse climatic condition. There is a lot of diversity. If you see in Jammu and Kashmir, it is snow-capped hills. Total snow we can find there. In Rajasthan, you will find desert. In northeastern states, you will find heavy rainfall. In the coastal areas, you see a very moderate kind of temperature. So we have a diverse climatic conditions because our reliefs are very much. आपने पढ़ा होगा last year भी the physiographic divisions of India. We have mountains, we have deserts, we have plateaus, we have islands, we have coastal plains. So because of all these different reliefs, the climatic conditions also vary from one place to another. Now we'll see one example here. Here you can see this, if possible. Yeah. Can you see this? Marker. Now see at the top. You see at the top Dras sector, it is in Jammu and Kashmir side. So you see 45 degrees centigrade in December night. The temperature is minus 45 degrees centigrade, it's very cold. 55 degrees centigrade temperature in June, where in Rajasthan, totally desert. The desert diurnal range of temperature is 30 degree. Diurnal range means एक दिन में कितना change होता है temperature. Maximum temperature, minimum temperature. The difference is called as diurnal range of temperature. Jaisalmer receives 9 centimeter rainfall. Thiruvananthapuram and Chennai 20 degrees centigrade in December night. Now if you see this one, December night, it is minus 45 degrees centigrades. In Chennai, it is 20 degrees centigrades. Almost 65 degrees centigrades का difference है. So this is the kind of diversity which we have. Kerala diurnal range of temperature means जो temperature change होता है, it is hardly 8 degrees centigrades. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. अगर highest temperature 30 है तो minimum temperature 22. But if you see the same in Rajasthan, it is 30 degrees centigrades. So this, what I mean to say here is, or what we are trying to suggest is that there is a lot of variety or diversity in the climatic conditions of India. Fine. This is just a slide we have taken for your reference. Next, going ahead, if you see the climatic diversity, same thing we have added here, but वहाँ पे हमने छोटा करके दे दिया है. Coming to the next point, now climatic controls, very thing. So now climates are different in different places at different given point of time. Like you'll see in your further slides about rainfall. In Tamil Nadu, the rainfalls are more in August, October, that area. September is the main month of what we say, their rainfall. So why does this happen? That we'll see later on. But the climate, there are certain things which control the climate of a particular place. Now what are these factors which control the climate, or what are these factors which affect the climate? There are 6 main factors which control the climate of any place. The first factor is called as latitude. Because India lies Tropic of Cancer. It divides India almost into 2 parts. So it is tropical climatic condition as well as subtropical climatic conditions. अगर आपको पता नहीं है what is tropical and subtropical means, tropic के नीचे का area south जो country है हमारी, it is tropical and above it is subtropical. So latitude plays an important role. How we'll see later on. Altitude, height of the place from the sea level. Then we have pressure and wind system. This also we will see in details in the next slides. We have distance from the sea, whether it is main in the inland or it is near the sea, that also plays an important role in the climate. And ocean currents. This also we'll go and see that ocean currents are there, how much they go ahead. And then relief. What kind of relief is there? Relief means nothing but a physical feature, whether it's an island, whether it's an mountain area, whether it's a desert, it's a plateau, whatever it is, that relief also plays an important role in deciding that how the climate will be there. So this is about climatic controls. In the next session we will see in details one by one that how each of these factors influence the climate. Till then, just go through this. Don't take down the notes. I will send a PDF later on so that you can take the notes easily. Just these are the basic introductions, because ये आगे के जो part है अभी, they are more conceptualized part. You have to understand the concepts about it, like how latitude will affect the climate, pressure and wind system will affect the climate, ocean currents will affect the climate. If you have the books, just go through the books, read it once so that it will be easy for you to understand. For this is now, as of now. So we'll see the next part in the next video. Thank you.